In this quick 2026 tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off autocorrect in Gmail using your browser. If these Gmail tips help you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account if you're not already signed in. At the top right, click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. You'll now be in the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the section called Smart Compose and Writing Suggestions. Look for Smart Compose and Smart Compose Personalization. Select Writing Suggestions off. This stops Gmail from automatically correcting or finishing your sentences while typing. Scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. Your Gmail autocorrect is now turned off. And that's it. Autocorrect is disabled, and you're back in full control of your emails. Subscribe for more Gmail tutorials updated for 2026.